Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Samsung F15 and opening Settings. This gets you straight to sound controls. Once in Settings, tap Sounds and Vibrations so you can change notification audio for the system. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off while testing, because sounds won't play otherwise. Also check that media and notification sliders aren't muted. If they are, raise them a bit. This initial step prepares the phone so the new tone will actually play when selected. Now you choose the specific notification sound. Tap Notification Sounds and scroll presets, then tap any item to preview it. You'll hear how loud and bright it will be. If you prefer a custom file, tap Add or My Sounds, navigate to the folder containing your MP3, and select it. Once selected, the system assigns it as the default. Make sure file length is short and not corrupted, because long or damaged files may fail to play as notifications. You finish by confirming the choice and testing it. Press back to save, then send a test message or use a notification test. You should hear the new tone. If it doesn't play, make sure the specific app's notification sound hasn't been overridden in app notification settings. Once done, if issues persist, restart the phone and, if needed, clear the settings app cache. That often fixes stuck audio settings. If still broken, reselect a different file to rule out file corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.